Hey, what is up everybody? Gio Scott here, and in this video I will be talking about how to invest your money in 2019. So if this is your first time watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss no more awesome videos, okay? And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment below your opinion about this video. Also, stay up to the end where if you want to build a business or you want to do something different in your life and so you can be guided in the correct path, just stay up to the end of the video. I hope you like this video. So what I wanted to do, I wanted to do something different, and I wanted to teach you how you can invest your money, okay? So a little disclaimer, I'm not saying that you need to do this, okay? Because every person is different and you need to try to figure out who you are, okay? You need to be self-aware of the things that you love and the things that you would like to do, where you want to be, all that stuff, okay? So you can watch my other videos where I talk about your why and all the stuff, how to discover who you are, how to be self-aware and everything, okay? So how to invest your money in 2019. Okay, there are different ways that you can invest your money. It will all depend how you see it and what is it that you want to invest your money. So let's say that you want to invest your money, but you don't know what is a good option to invest your money. Okay, so first you need to understand what is your ROI, your return of investment when you invest your money. So every time you invest your money, every time you spend your money, it's an investment, okay? The only difference is that one is a good investment and one is a bad investment. So if you invest your money in sneakers because you want to buy a cool pair of sneakers, a basketball, Xbox, PlayStation, or whatever, you need to understand that you won't be making money out of it unless you have a gaming channel that you know that you are going to put a YouTube for gamers, go on in Twitch or whatever, you know. So depending on what it is that you're investing your money in, then it can be a good thing or a bad thing. Like I said, if you invest your money in a console or something like that, and you are going to start a gaming channel and do reviews on games, then that is a good investment, because eventually you will see your money come back to you. Okay, if you invest your money in sneakers and you don't play basketball or whatever, then guess what? Then why did you buy those sneakers? Just to show them off? So what is your return of investment? It will be zero, right? So why invest your money in that? So my recommendation into what it is that you need to invest your money, first, it will be into your mindset. First, you need to invest money in books so that you can learn a whole lot of new skill sets, because your skill set is what's worth money. So because it probably you can do whatever, right? Let's say that you have different skills, whatever, but if you don't have the skills necessary for the marketplace, then how are you actually going to make more money? How can you present to someone who you are and why they should buy from you, or how you can help them, right? So sales is a good skill set that you also need to invest your money in, but you need to first discover what it is that you want to do. You first need to discover what it is that you actually want to, like, in what niche you want to help other people. Because if you don't know what you want to do and what you want to provide to a marketplace or to other people, like, and provide value, how is it possible that you know in what to invest your money? You are just going to be spending money and you're going to be losing money, and then you will think that everyone is a scammer because it didn't help you. Because it's not about spending $350, $1,000 in a course if you are not actually going to apply those things. But first, you need to understand that when you invest money in your brain, you will have the correct mindset that will keep you going even though you don't see money in the short come, okay? Because when you try to build a business, when you try to do something on your own, You will need to put in hard work. You need to understand that this will be for a long run, okay? This will not be a quick, easy pace that tomorrow you will be rich, okay? Because if you want to be rich, just play the Powerball or the lottery or something like that. But if you actually want to make money and achieve success, you need to work hard, you need to be disciplined, and you actually need to persevere through the obstacles that may present itself in front of you. Okay, so that's why I say that and if you invest in your brain, you read books about things that can actually make you more resilient to comments and stuff like that, then do it. Find what it is that you want to do, like I said, because if you don't do it, no one else is going to do it for you. Just think about it for a second. Like right now, in the situation that you are right now, are you happy? Like, are you satisfied with your life right now? Because if you're not satisfied, then you need to make a change for yourself. You first need to begin understanding, how do you feel right now? Like every day when it finishes, how do you feel? Do you feel accomplished? Do you feel that you did something productive? Because if that's not the case, then you need to begin changing that. You need to be doing things differently so your day can end differently. But taking little steps is better than taking no steps at all. So the sooner you realize that, the sooner and the quicker you will begin taking action. Because yes, you can consume content. Yes, you can watch my videos. Yes, you can watch any other videos like Gary Vee, Ty Lopez, Tony Robbins, and whatever. But if you don't actually begin taking action, you're not going to get nowhere. So I prefer take baby steps towards a goal than actually not taking anything. Okay? Because like I said, when you take action, you will begin to see a difference. You will begin to see a result. Okay? Maybe it's not the result that you want at that moment, but progress is progress. It doesn't matter. People want to have success, but they don't want to go through the process of it. And there's a process that you need to go to actually achieve success. So invest first in your mind, invest first in yourself overall, acquire new skill sets, and eventually you will see that everything will fall in place. Then you can continue to, or you can begin building a business. Then you will eventually have that success. You need to find that drive. You need to find yourself in a position where you say, you know what, enough is enough. Now it's time for me to continue to move forward. I need to do something different. That's why I started this journey, because I was sick of and tired of people not making sense at work. People actually not supporting my ideas and stuff like that. So now I just create content and I try to help you so you can actually begin taking action as well. You can see my first video in YouTube that it sucked. It was real bad, but I took action. And eventually, little by little, you keep on improving. You begin getting more creative. Creativity, it will come, you know. If at first you're not creative, it doesn't matter. When you begin seeing your videos, or when you begin seeing your blog, when you begin reading, when you begin to actually take action and implement the things that you are learning, you will make those tweaks. You will get better and better and better. Okay, I know that you can do it, and I believe that you can do it. It's all a matter of that, if you believe that you can do it. Because if you don't, even though if everyone around you believes in you and you don't believe in you, guess what? You're not going to make it. You're not going to do it. It is that simple. Okay? Success is not hard. It's just people don't want to go through a process. I know it can be tiresome. You're gonna get out of your comfort zone, but it is necessary for you to get where you want to be. And I know that you can do it. Okay? Because if I believe that you can do it, if I believe that anyone can do it, if they actually put in the hard work, the discipline, they invest in themselves, and they change their environment, I believe that anyone can do it. So don't give up on your dreams, don't give up on yourself, and always keep pushing forward. So I really hope that you like this video. Subscribe and down below, hit that notification bell so you don't miss normal awesome videos. And also, if you want to build a business from scratch, and learn step by step into how to do it, click the description box below and you will begin to see results. So take care. I will see you in the next video.